Hi everyone. Okay, today we are reviewing the Calvin Klein website. So this is calvinklein.us and we are on the home page. It is January 12th, 2025. I feel like I'm on the Victoria's Secret homepage. Okay, what I would have done, I would love this guy standing. Like the first thing I'd see. Love this denim shirt. Would leave it open and then have that classic with the Calvin Klein, like the underwear, like the brief, like the boxer brief. So we can see, I know you guys know what I'm talking about, where he's standing and then you can see like his jeans and stuff like that. I would definitely have him first and then move this woman all the way down to the bottom. But very cool website. I'm loving it. I love how it's organized. It's neat. It's easy to navigate. And then I love all these links. So they do offer a refer a friend discount. That's probably one of the first websites we've come across that they actually have that much of a percentage where you refer a friend, 25%. That's huge, more than like a teacher discount of like 15%, or here's a first responder discount. Not sure if they do teachers or students discounts here. I don't see anything just yet. But let's take a look. I'm going to browse. Let's go to women first. Give you guys a price range if you're not familiar with Calvin Klein. So we have Shop All underwear. We have some outerwear, tops, bottoms. So for example, we have this wool blend cardigan, $71. This cashmere cardigan's on sale for $131. Then you can get this polo sweater for $43, 60% off. So they have great sales on the website. Everything is like half off, 60% off. You have this dress, sleeveless dress for $43. So not bad prices, very affordable. $34 for this mini skirt. I mean, obviously, if you're working as a minimum wage job, maybe it's a little bit pricey. It depends on your, what you're doing for a living. This logo fleece crew neck sweater for $35. I think that's reasonable. Cashmere. Again, whenever it comes to cashmere, silk, better quality over here. Now you're going to be spending a lot more money. This is $99. Blazers for $80. So that's just a slight price range. You have men's. So we're going to look at, you can look at some underwear, accessories. So if we shop, I'm going to show, so this is like the classic right here. So this is $38 for a 3-pack of briefs. So it says Calvin Klein. So this is what I was talking about, like having that on the homepage with him wearing, obviously, his jeans. So I'm going to go back to outerwear. You can subscribe. Look at this pop-up for 10% off of our order. Let's take a look. They have some outerwear here, $99. They do have, I know they have suits. There's a blazer for $139. All right, so then they do have a kids section as well. Underwear as well, some clothing, some jeans. So the girls' skinny jeans, this is on, and you get an extra 20. So this is $14.99. So these are some great website prices. At the outlet, you'll find it even less, some greater deals. Calvin Klein, so these are very classic. They have the undergarments over here, some coats, flared pants for girls, $27. Hipsters. There we go. Sports bras, a 2-pack for $22. So not bad at all. There is a home section, duvet covers, comforters, blankets, sheets. So we can click on shop all, give you a rough idea, $67. We have a flannel quilt, 20% off. So they range. Here we have $173 for a cover set. And it goes on and on and on. All right, so that is the price range. women, men, underwear, kids, home, and obviously we have a sales section. And you can search by category, extra 50% off, which is great. Take a look. They have some cute dresses here. That's very simple. This is cute. So they got some cute items here. All right, now time for the bottom of the web page. Let's go look at careers. All right, so if you are doing your history project, your company research, you would click About Calvin Klein. Read through this, founded in New York in 1968. You're gonna go through this. You can go through the sustainability link, explore, hashtag MyCalvins, and then we're gonna focus on the careers section. See if there's any student internships. Close out of that. All right, so we're going to search. All right, so we have a customer care manager. This is in Australia. We can read more. I'm hoping they give us the salary. So they have about the company, skills, experience. PVH is one of the world's largest and most admired fashion companies. Their global iconic brands include Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, and their heritage brands. Over 140-year history is built on the strength. Benefits, positive work environment, planning for the future. All right, so I didn't see any salary just yet. You can go back. You have material handler, equipment operator, maintenance technician, supervisor, warehouse supervisor. Let's click on that. So it is competitive, it says. Competitive pay. That's nice. They have care.com services if you need childcare. Salary-wise, I'm not seeing it just yet. So you might have to do some digging a little. Let's go sales associate. Let's see if we have like a part-time Calvin Klein sales associate position. Let's see where they start. Nope, I don't know. So let's click on apply. So it looks like we have to first name, last name, view internal jobs there. Our career areas, they do have internships, so that's good to know. So a lot of times I ask you if there are any internships available. You can intern. They offer paid internships. Take a look at these videos. Here's a New York internship. Accounting, New York intern. So they do partner with Howard University. Good to know. So I would sign up, apply, take a look at their internships here. Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, retail, corporate. And then you can even take a look at some of the corporate careers. Search, you could browse by category or location. Awesome. All right, so we're going to go back. Let's go to the homepage. Now let's go take a look at their YouTube. I don't see the link for YouTube here. So we'll go to their Instagram first. So we're going to follow them. Oh, that was for the job. So I'm pretty sure, let's go back. Yeah, we got to go back to back to Calvin Klein. Yeah, on the homepage, they do have their YouTube. So subscribers, 761 videos. I love the banner. Their fall 2024 campaign looks nice. They have a whole bunch of videos, shorts. You can take a look. And then we're going to click on more links and follow them on Instagram. If I'm not, yeah, I'm already following them. So yeah, he should be on the homepage. Very nice. Or like he should be on the homepage with some jeans and then that denim shirt. So very nice Instagram posts. I love it. Let's go back to the homepage. All right, so here's the homepage. We're back to the homepage. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.